Much love to every single Final Fantasy fan.
20 years?
Oh my god!
And Klaus saw you learn to do it.
We got it. It's happening. It's freaking happening.
Remake de Final Fantasy VII.
At last.
Good day, everybody. This is Justin Davis, aka JWalk0, aka a Final Fantasy fan, coming at you live from my house here in Greenville, South Carolina. Today is April the 14th, 2020. I just got something in the mail. Something that I've been waiting a very, very long time for. Something that I pre-ordered last year when its pre-order came up. Something I've been waiting for almost 20 years for. And y'all about to see me unbox it. And I'm holding in my hand something I have been waiting a very long time for. Since 2005 actually, when the tech demo for Final Fantasy VII on the PS3 came out. And a lot of visions came to my head. This game is a remake to a classic that I played back when I was 14. It's not the full experience. Getting this remake in different parts, don't know how many parts and don't know how long it's going to take for all of them to come out, but this is the first episode. And it's crazy having this in my hand. This officially came out last Friday, worldwide, on April the 10th. And a lot of people have already played it, have already beaten it. And I just got the game. Without further ado, man, this is crazy. Final Fantasy VII Remake Deluxe Edition. Across the board, a lot of people have given praise to this. I'm holding back my full hype for this game because I don't want to be disappointed. I want this game to hype me up as I play it. I'm gonna open it up now. You see, I got the game and I got the lanyard, which I'm going to open first. There's Cloud and Aerith, and Barrett and Tifa. This is a game, well, this is the remake to a game that has inspired me in a lot of ways. As a writer, as a person, as a game developer. Since 2001 when I played the first game. I was 14 that year. Wasn't my first Final Fantasy. That honor goes to 9, which is another great classic. Then I played this. Well, I played the original Final Fantasy VII after 9. Wasn't expecting to be as powerfully changed as I was. It's time to open this bad boy. See what's in here. Wow. Yeah. Who would have thought? In 2001, I would be seeing a remake to this game almost 20 years later. Man, and look at that cover. Almost like the original PS1 version. Okay, so I got the steel case. I can hold the contents of the game inside of, with Sephiroth on the cover in front of Midgar, Shinra. Got the mini soundtrack, which has about 12 tracks on it. And here's the art book. Y'all can see what I see. Okay. It's Midgar. Here. It's Cloud on his motorcycle. The forward. 23 years ago. Cloud Earth. There it. They got frog versions of them. Yeah, that's awesome. Man. got the Chocobo Dlc. Didn't bother getting the first class edition. I know a lot of people like the action figures. I've never been an action figure type person, but I do admire the hobby and how people can use the actual models for their artwork when they draw. Why do I feel like the further I flip, I might see a spoiler? Let me stop while I'm ahead. I feel like if I keep going, I'm going to see a spoiler, so I'm going to hold that back. I managed to dodge a lot of spoilers over the weekend, which was not very easy to do, because the internet glorified this game almost everywhere I went, even when I did not want it to. Even when I did not type Final Fantasy VII Remake, I would still see something about the remake. So I had to get off and do some other stuff waiting for this to come in. I'm going to open the game case now. There goes the wind. Cloud and the wind. This is my first time doing an unboxing of anything. Yep, got the cat guitar and the Chocobo DLC. Wow. There's the action figures. Kingdom Hearts 3. Very controversial games. That I've played and beaten and waited a very long time for as well. Oh, man. Two Blu-ray discs worth of content. Man. And the internal cover is able to be flipped as well. I am ready to play this game. I might make a review analysis of this game after I've beaten it. Don't know if I'm actually going to do it or not. I don't know if this game will live up to the hype. To me, I know it has to a lot of people, but I also know for some people it didn't. So I'm being cautiously optimistic about this game, because Lord knows I've been disappointed in the past by other stuff. Not a very good feeling. But I'm looking into this game for positive outlook, and I expect this game to be very, very, very revolutionary, if not game changing when it comes to me. Everybody else, I don't know, but to me, that's what I'm looking for. I do want to say that it's incredible that I'm able to see this come to light. I'm able to live long enough to see this come to light, because a lot of people did not survive long enough to play this game. And my prayers go out to all of the family members and friends of those individuals around the world. One of them being my best friend who died 2 years ago. I'm going to play this in his name. Joey Walker was his name. And I'm expecting greatness from this game. And I'm going to play and play and play and play. 33 years old. God bless and thank you for watching.